Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Here is a security announcement. Please do not leave luggage unattended anywhere on the station. Any unattended luggage will be removed without warning and may be destroyed.
It was either the other one I wasn't expecting or this one I wasn't expecting. This one's just come out the sidings I saw down the end there. Now this one does appear to be heading towards, oh, if I can keep it straight, this one does appear to be heading towards Cotton Power Station. Here comes another one out the sidings again. Someone's just got out. This is interesting, it's actually reversing. Wonder why. Mind you, I think this is a reversible line because the Mansfield train that comes in from Nottingham via Mansfield arrives on that platform and departs on that platform, and it changes. There's a switch point down there that changes line, so maybe that's what this one's doing. Indeed, that is what it is doing. It is changing lanes, changing rails. Or tracks, I should say, isn't it? My ability to use the right technical terms is somewhat lacking. I do like catching trains, changing tracks. There's something about it. So this is moving into another siding. A nice bit of freight shunting. So that's why that guy must have got out. He must have jumped out maybe to change points. No, because there's a signal box actually to my right. Porter cabin signal box. I'm going to stop this off a bit. And he's just got back in again. Maybe he has to phone up the signalman. I must get a monopod. It's so difficult to hold it still.